To my channel, Shiko Makena, as you all know, and you all know, for those people who are new, I do DIYs, decor, furniture, and the newest of all, I'm introducing house hunting as what people ask for me to do. So today I've done another new house hunting video with my friend, a colleague. It's a colleague, a YouTuber also, and I'm very happy to have her in my channel today. So she'll introduce herself. She does amazing cooking. That's where I get my what is it called? Yeah. Things to do. I learned from her some of the things that I do in the kitchen. So go over to her page. I will link her YouTube page in the description box, so you check it out. So she'll introduce herself and what she does.
Hi guys, my name is Doln Kerry. As you have heard from Shiko, I'm also a YouTuber. My YouTube channel is all about cooking and lifestyle. So guys, today I'm so happy and humbled to be with Shiko on her YouTube. It's a great privilege, guys. So guys, if you're watching this and you haven't subscribed, I don't know what you're doing, guys. It's free of charge. Click the red button, subscribe to her channel, give her videos a thumbs up and share, because it really supports her channel.
Yeah, and we all love you guys. We'll show you this house around. It's in Kasarani, Seasons area. It's a 2-bedroom house. It's very affordable, and I like how they have modernized it. Like, oh my god, the kitchen is awesome. They've already even put wallpaper for you guys. It's just not normal paint, which is making it so amazing. So let me show you around, and we love you. It's a 2-bedroom house which is located along Seasons in Kasarani area. So the good thing about this house that I love is the window. Like for me, because I'm a content creator, what I always look for is good lighting, and because of how much of the window, of the huge window that it has, it makes this house so good. Like, you don't need to put on the lights if it's in the morning hours or so. So this is how it looks like. And then the good thing with this house, they've already put for us curtain rods, which you don't have to travel. They've already put the curtain rods from the side of the window to the door side. You can show them until they are here. So that's how the curtain rod is. And then they have put another socket over here. So I think this house has like 3 sockets installed. So you're good to go to where you want to place your TV and how you want to mount it. Okay, this house, the good thing also that I've seen is the same color that I have put in each and every house over here. So for this house that I'm in, they have done white with is it like green or green? This and
Safaricom green. Luminous green. Yeah.
Yeah, so they have tried to do modern style. So I think this place you can organize it with your TV set and the TV stand and everything. Because also the for the aerial to really enter, and then there's also the bed in this house. Here it is. The bed is outside, but the couples everything are here. Okay, so after we left the living room, the first bedroom, this is the first bedroom, and it's not that spacious. I really don't have a lot of things. The window, you can see the lighting in this house is everything. The lighting is so cool, and also the wall. The colors of the wall is white. White brightens the house, like white is the best. So it also has those two sockets. One here, and the other one over there. This one I think you can get. There's another switch over here. Maybe you put your bed, don't have to struggle. Here and they're so huge. And then two of them. So this is ideal. Like this is how they look. This is where you can hang your clothes. Enough storage space. And also for storing your maybe innerwears and socks and this kind of stuff. There's another one over here. You can place your shoes down here. You can hang some more, but there's enough storage space right here. So that's how it looks like for this room. It's not that special, but it still can work if you don't have a lot of things. Yeah, I think that's enough for this room.
And the door?
Okay, the door is wooden and so modern. That's how I love about this house. Everything is modernized. You can see how it is. It's the walnut is matching the color of the walls.
To the second bedroom, I think this one is a bit smaller, so it can be the kids' bedroom. We have this beautiful door. It's a modern one. A modern one actually. The lock is very, very nice. So for the door, it's mwah. So how we show them the wardrobe? We have the first side, which is so spacious. You can store your clothes over here. It's just like the other wardrobe. We have these drawers over here. They are actually two. To the second part, we have this spacious part as well. You can store as many clothes as you can. So it's spacious actually. Though this one looks smaller, so it can be for the kids. We have this switch over here for the bulb, and we have another one over here for the bulb as well. So you can choose which one to use. And then the lighting, oh my god, the lighting, you can see even the road. Down there, guys, you can see the road. The window is too big, and the view of this village. Is this a village?
It's an estate.
Of this estate, you can see the view, guys. Very, very nice. So the main road is just down here.
Yeah, we're just next to the road.
Yeah.
So you don't have to suffer while you're walking.
Yeah, you don't need to struggle. Yeah. So we have another socket for charging your phone. So we have the rod over here for the curtains actually. So you don't need to struggle going to get the rod for the curtains. It's already here. So this is the good part of this house. It has the rods and they are so nice actually. Yeah. Charging your phones, your laptop. You can also put the kids' TV over here, but I guess that one can't work because the room is a bit small. So that's it for this room. Let's head to the washroom. the washroom, guys. So the washroom is a bit messy, so I'm sorry for that because the house is newly constructed. So I'm sorry for that. It's a bit dusty. So the first thing you get is the sink over here on your left hand side, plus this cute small mirror. Yeah, it's not that bad, guys. You can see that this one is for the sink as well, so you don't need to go and buy it. And up here we have the shower, so you just connect it and everything is right. You have this cute bulb up here, and then on your right hand side you have this rod for hanging your towels, for hanging your innerwears after showering. So I think it's nice for that. Then we have this small window over here, and then we have this space where you can put your shower gels, your shower soaps, everything for showering. And then we have this nice toilet over here. Actually it's the modern one. You'll be placing and flushing, no, the other one yeah, kuskuma like this, guys. So that's it for the washroom, and then it has this nice door as well. It's good and then lock. It's very convenient. It's not hard. So it's cute as well, even though it's not that big. So they have the washroom together with the shower. So that's it for them. So direct to our kitchen, guys. Oh my god, I've never seen this kitchen. Come guys, let's have a look at this kitchen. It's so amazing. For like serious, I've never seen a kitchen like this in Nairobi for a rental house. It's a bit small, but it's gold, guys. It's gold. Have a look at this wall, guys. Have a look at this wallpaper. And it has that feeling of being in the kitchen, man. After ukipika food, hey, man, I really don't know. I'm a lover of food, so I think that's why I'm possessed with this kitchen. So direct from the door, you have your drawers over here. They're over here. Again, guys, I'm so sorry. The kitchen is a bit dusty, but I hope you'll understand. The house is a bit new, so yeah. So we have these drawers over here. They are so spacious, guys. As you can see, you can store your cereals over here. You can store your cups, your cutleries, your crockwares all over here. We have like 4. We have 4. Yes, guys. I'm really possessed with this kitchen. This wallpaper, it's gold. So we have this socket for the cooker. Yeah, this side is for the cooker. And then I don't know, you can also place your fridge if you have one. But we have another socket over here. I really don't know how you can arrange your kitchen depending on how you will see it working. We have another socket over here for the bulb. Then our sink here. We have one sink. Actually, I've never seen rentals with 2 sinks, have you?
No.
I've never seen rentals with 2 sinks, so this one is just like any other rental house. It has 1 sink. Then down here, we have a good storage where we can store our saucepans and some few things. Actually, we have 2 drawers. So then we have this cute window over here, so the lighting to the kitchen is so sufficient. You don't need the bulb during the day. And next to the window, we have our door outside to the corridor where you can get your view nicely, guys. So you can have a look. The corridor. So this is our corridor, guys. As you can see, it's so cute. Then the view. This is gold, man. This is gold. So as you can see the main road down here. Season Road to the main road. That's Thika Super Highway. Actually, it's 100 meters from here to Thika Super Highway. And yeah, I think this house is gold, guys. This house is like, oh my god, you really need to come and have a look. Actually, we are at 3rd floor, and the whole house, oh shit! How many floors?
5.
5. So we are at 3rd floor, and we have 2 more floors up here.
I hope guys that you've enjoyed the entire video, you've watched till the end. So as we continue, I'll show you how different places look like, and they vary according to the rent prices. They always vary, so I'll show you around in each and every house hunting that I do. So I hope that you've enjoyed, and thank you for always watching what I do. And also for subscribing, I'm asking you to go over to her channel, subscribe Kerry, which she does is cooking. I'll just place her channel name in my description, and also I'll place it somewhere over there at the screen. So check her out and subscribe to her. It's free, and hit that notification bell button to get notified when she uploads a new video. If you like cooking, that's where you should be heading and get your new recipes over there. So until next time, bye.